Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to stencil. We're going to start with a cutting mat, our picture that we're going to cut out, and an X-Acto knife. Just as a reminder, the top of the X-Acto knife that is flat is not the blade, and the angled part is the blade. Please do not use the X-Acto knife upside down. When you're cutting with an X-Acto knife, you always want to secure the paper with your opposite hand that you're cutting with. Please do not put your hand in front of where you're cutting because you don't want to go ahead and cut your hand. But we're going to secure the paper over here, and we're going to begin by cutting our stencil. So you'll notice so far, next I'm going to take a slab of clay, and I'm going to take my rubber tool, and on both sides I'm just going to smooth out my slab. With stencils you can do this while you have a slab laying down, or you can use it if your structure is already standing up. You can use the stencil on that piece. So I'm going to go ahead and take my stencil, and I'm going to lay it down onto my clay. Next I'm going to take my pin tool, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to outline and so once I'm done, I peel up my stencil, and you will notice that I'm left with a very beautiful design of a lotus on my clay. And from here, if you choose, you can always cut through the clay if you want to create some negative space. So maybe I want to remove the center piece of my lotus. And again, I would do this when the clay was a little bit more dry, but you can go ahead and cut right through with your pin tool, and then you will have some negative space in your piece.